Construction continues to improve Daryl Carter Parkway over Interstate 4, which is being transformed into a new diverging diamond interchange. Bridge demolition work is taking place on the south side of the Daryl Carter overpass. The new interchange will include an eastbound I-4 exit ramp. When the interchange is complete, motorists will be able to exit I-4 from both directions to Daryl Carter Parkway. Motorists on Daryl Carter Parkway will be able to access eastbound I-4 on a new entrance ramp. Crews are also constructing new drainage structures in this area. Improvements are also being made on the westbound I-4 ramp from Central Florida Parkway, where asphalt is being placed. To learn more about the Daryl Carter Parkway project, visit i4beyond.com.